Getting ready to start this 4-inch cage chop. So I use this pipe cutter right here to draw me a line. Went up 1.5 inches from the seatbelt thing. We're just gonna cut them out. Got the back bars took off. Now I got a mark down 4 inches on each side and then see where we're at. Alright, I've already got this cut. I was pretty skeptical about using this right here, but with this manual tubing cutter you can cut through that stock cage. Alright, so I've measured it from the cut down 4 inches. About to get the manual tubing cutter back out. Cut this one. Well, come out of there. There we go. So there we go. Got it out. About right on the money. But on to the next side, and I'll get back with y'all when I get done with that. Alright, I've been made a believer out of this tubing cutter right here. It's pretty quick. It was easy. Got smooth cuts. Both of them right on 4 inches. I didn't have to tape anything or worry about any of that. So I think that might be the way to go. Got the sleeves done. They're only 2 inches, but I keep them clean. We'll go ahead. Got one set up already with the clamp to hold it. Just makes things easier. Let's show y'all what kind of fitment. This is a 1.5 inch inside the stock cage. It's gonna be built like this. Not a whole lot of play, but there's a little bit. Alright, about to TIG weld them in. Got the sleeves welded in. Now we just got to bring the top down. A little bit of gap right there. We'll see how we get it down. Got one side pulled down. Had to use some clamps to get it in there, get it straight. Got the ratchet strap. Run around the bottom. This side is gonna be fun. We got all the points loosened up here, loosen up the front. At the end we'll go back and tighten them back. Alright, we got our piece of channel on there. Now we're going to get out the C-clamp. See if we can bring this in. Finally got it pulled down with some ratchet straps. A little encouragement from a hammer. About destroyed the back plastics. But it's down there. Now it's just time to tack it. Got it put back together, welded, grind it down. Didn't turn out half bad. Now all that's left is the back bars right here, and it'll be done. What are you doing? Alright, got the cage done. All centered up. About ready for paint. I think it turned out alright. That's what come out of there. 4 inches on the front ones. Had to go a little bit longer in the back. Like 4 1/4. Got it all ready to go. Just spray some paint on it.